Cárgalo encima de ti, güey, a que no puedes.
¿Cómo?
Cárgalo así, póntelo.
Se va a romper la pinche cara. Se cae. Ah, se desbocó.
No puedo respirar.
Dale, güey. I'm all low-key. Ay.
We should try to get, what's it called?
Este güey, decide. Okay, listen. So one time I was late at night, and I walk into the kitchen, and then I see a nice piece of carne asada sitting there right on the plate for me. I was like, God.
Since this is free pie, I just put your pie over there, so you're good. And it's free.
So the steak, like the carne asada was sitting right on the plate, like for me. I was like, God damn, who left this shit for me, right? So I'm like, I'm eating it. I'm like I'm gonna put it in the microwave. I'm like eating my tortillas. I'm like, oh, shit, I'm about to be eating good, right? Yeah. And then I'm eating, and it's late at night. And my dad wakes up to go to the bathroom, and then he comes back and gets like a glass of water or something. He's like, ¿Qué estás comiendo? And I'm like, la carne asada que estaba ahí. He's like, ese de la Kyla. Oh my God. He's like, Kyla's my dog. Kyla's my dog. And I was like, what do you mean? He's like, it fell on the ground. I was like, oh my fucking God. And little did I know, and like, while that shit was on the ground, I literally fucking devoured that shit before it fucking, yeah. I don't give a fuck, it still tastes good.
You're like, my dog be eating good.
God.
Pull up the rock skirt.
Diego, why can't you see? Like,
Why can't,
come up to the light. You know what it looks like? When we went to Carrot Creek, to Carrot Creek Park, and you had the flash on you and I was recording.
I thought you were trying to say Dairy Queen. I was like, no, man.
Diego thought it was so funny. Anyways, look at what I did to my card.
What did you do?
Look, I hella smushed it.
Smush what?
My card. Diego,
I can't see. Ay.
Because if I
Did you
took
say
it out,
estirate?
did I? I meant to say
Suena
estirate.
bad, güey.
Dude, I look fucking like stupid. I'm sick. So anyways, we're doing a story time. I don't know where to post myself. I don't know where to put myself because I look like shit in all angles right now. Hilda. Okay, go.
So we were driving. We got some Olive Garden, whatever. Okay, whatever. We had what? I don't.
Okay, we got Olive Garden. Oh my God, I'm so ugly right now.
We got Olive Garden, and we were on our way to the Bigfoot on 99 because we were gonna see if our barista was here or whatever, but she wasn't. Whatever. On the way here,
I was trying to send a picture thinking it was my phone, bro.
Oh my God, and you looked at all my selfies.
No,
Oh wait, no,
it's
I
wrong.
delete them all.
on the way here, someone flashed their lights at Karen, and
Yeah, like they were driving behind. I was going a bit faster than, but I like keep in mind I was in the regular lanes. And fucking Diego.
Anyways, we were in carpool.
No, we weren't.
We weren't.
No.
I thought we were in carpool.
No, I was in the regular lanes. That's why I was like, I don't get why he's fucking flashing his. Because I'd understand if we were in carpool. Because I was going like.
Oh yeah, and okay, never mind. So whatever, right? So this bitch
Right.
flashed their lights for no reason. Like they kept flashing their lights at everyone. And like even though they stopped flashing because they got into the carpool lane or whatever.
But they got there mad because they got into the carpool and they were like behind another car. And they started flashing these lights at them too. And I was like, oh hell no. And like, so this car was here, like the one that was just a casual like car that was driving, you know. And I was in this lane, like the lane right next to him. So I pulled up right next to him, like, so it's kind of like a little corner. So he's like,
yeah,
stuck.
he was behind.
Dude, it looked
He was behind.
fucking.
Anyways, he was behind, and Karen was like, she wasn't letting him pass, and the other guy was going slow, and he like, I can't talk. What did you know? But anyways, you know, so like he was kind of pissed, and then
He just kept flashing his high beams, like. even after he saw that like the other guy wasn't gonna speed up.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
And
so
then eventually you
got
left-
excited. Yeah.
You like got out of that lane or whatever.
Yeah, so like Hilda was telling Diego, she's like, roll down your window, Diego, roll down your window. And like where is he? Oh. Él ya tenía miedo.
He was hella scared.
What did I do before that scared him?
You
Oh, I
took my
sped up.
glasses.
I
Yeah?
sped up to. Oh, Diego's so mad about his glasses. No, I sped up so that like I went like fucking like kind of fast to like get like to corner him, right? And like
She kept trying to switch into his lane to be in front of him, even though it was like that guy's car and then the other car.
there
and
was
then
like there was like 2
no
inches
space.
of space in my ass. I'm gonna force myself.
And she kept looking over, and she would turn the wheel.
Yeah,
with her.
I was swerving, so Diego was already like terrified because Diego gets scared really easily, like when we drive like shit. So then, Hilda turns around and she's like, because the guy, he was basically on Diego's side, like, because Diego was sitting behind me, like in the corner, and he was on Diego's side. So Hilda turns around to Diego, she's like, roll down your window, Diego, roll down your window. And Diego was like already terrified, so he was just like, okay, and he rolled that shit down.
But by that time, Karen was already switching lanes, so the guy got in front of us.
Look at
After
Aaron.
she switched lanes to the middle one. The guy got out of the carpool lane, and I told Karen to go behind him or whatever, and we would just be like,
I hella slowed down to like, because I switched lanes to try to be behind him and flash my high beams at him.
Uh-huh.
And then he saw that I wasn't there anymore, so he switched into the lane that I was just in. And then,
oh, dude, after he switched out of that one,
uh-huh. No, he didn't. Yeah, after he switched out of that one, I switched back behind him.
no, in front of him first, and then he passed us.
No. I didn't go in front of him.
I love it.
Diego,
Oh my god. Puras fallas. Anyways.
It was scary.
No, we're not done.
Oh.
Oh, they got side by side with us, right? And I fucking rolled the window down hella mad, right? And I stuck my hand out and I started flipping them off and like, you know, saying shit. And the guy was just watching me, like, I saw
He
him.
was pissed, man.
Yeah, he was really mad. And then, like, he sped up again. And he flipped me off or whatever, and I was like, fuck you, blah, 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 like hella yelling out the fucking window. And I tried rolling the window up.
And my window, my passenger seat window, I don't know why, it like just doesn't work or it doesn't go up as fast as like the other ones. Like it goes up at a really slow speed. So Hilda was just there like slowly like, like
It was so awkward. I was like, oh god, I wasn't expecting this.
yeah. So then I slowed down and I got behind him again and I flashed my high beams at him, and then by that time, dude, we were laughing the whole time and we sounded fucking like we sounded evil.
Like, yeah.
Bro,
We were like,
fucking Karen was laughing. She was there, she's like,
Yeah, dude.
like we could have crashed.
Dude, I kept turning to see you, and you're really like hella moving forward, and I was like, oh my god.
Here, honestly, I'll just put my fucking your fucking
loud way.
But yeah.
This all started because lights were flashed.
I didn't even notice when it started. All I heard was like, roll down, and I was like, roll down your window. I was like, what the? And he's like, fuck you. And he can, I can just go in front of him. I'm like, okay.
Hella fool. A fool.
Diego was hella like on his phone, like hella chill. And Karen and I were flipping the fuck out.
We were road raging, so this is the worst we've ever been. That was kind of it.
Yeah.
Look at me. I look dead. I'm sick.
Yeah, that's what the drugs hits. Like, I
Look at me. I look fucking scary. Look. Ooh, Diego, you're dying. Ooh.
Wait, is it 20?
What?
It's a 20, yeah.
Alright. Pinche mocazo.
All right.
Like,
No, I didn't.
I could hear like bubble wind. You
Oh.
swallow that shit like.
Ew, no, I didn't. What? Okay. Okay, yes. I was gonna say bye.
But yeah.
Is that it?
10 minutes? That wasn't 10 minutes, bro. What the fuck?
I know,
That was hell fast.
right? That's what I'm saying.
Time flies. We're here for a good time, not a long time. Yeah.
Dude, tú le haces así. I was like this, fucking pointing at my pimple, and Diego, we're here for a good time, not a long time, Piero. Bye! Bye!